About PC runs. PC runs started as my own interest and enthusiasm for going online with a computer that didn't interfere with that. This started when I first found the online experience back in 2003. My first computer was an overpriced clearinghouse special with Windows 95 on it. Way overpriced and already completely outdated in 2003. I barely learned computer security on this PC before I purchased a custom build for the same price, giving me a computer able to keep me online without blue screening or being attacked and eaten by every virus, Trojan, or malware out there. It's on this custom PC that I began learning a whole lot about what it takes to keep a computer running. Adequate security was one of the first lessons learned, which is still paramount to keeping your computer running smoothly. Regular maintenance involving use of Microsoft utilities or equivalent third-party tools became a common practice. Installing and uninstalling software, there are actually best practices for this too. Learning that not everyone is a friend online is a lesson everyone should get right away, i.e., I learned how to use virus removal tools to keep me happily online. The last resort lesson learned is the use of total reinstalls of the operating system as the ultimate tactic to remove unwanted guests from my computer. All this came in handy when I took it upon myself to build my own custom computer in 2008. This upgrade provided me with a fast multitasking computer meeting my demands for a smooth online experience. Of course, 2008 was a long time ago, in fact that's ancient history in computer years. That custom computer began showing its age a few years ago. Lucky for me, in the spring of 2016 I was able to build my second custom computer, with all the latest top-notch parts. I now have a HT-PC, that is a home theater PC. This build allows for multitasking at fantastic speeds for anything and everything that I can throw at it. I've recently upgraded the hard drive housing the operating system, Windows 10. I switched out the two 120GB SSDs in RAID 0 to one of the fastest hard drives out there. That would be a Samsung 960 EVO M 2250GB NVMe offering lightning speeds. My read speeds are up to 3200 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 1500 megabytes per second. That is read speeds up to 3.2 gigabytes per second and write speeds up to 1.5 gigabytes per second. That is one scorching fast computer. I am very pleased to say the least. What does this mean for you? Well, the lessons I learned haven't gone unnoticed. Many people along the way have taken notice of my ever-growing computer skills and have employed me to help them with their own computer issues. These issues include forgotten passwords. You forgot your password and locked yourself out of your computer. PC runs can quickly help you find your way back into your computer. Virus infections. You've accidentally clicked on a wrong link and your computer now is under a vicious attack by the latest virus, Trojan, or malware. PC runs can give your computer the right antidote to eliminate all such malicious attacks. We can even help you understand ways to keep this from happening in the future. Sluggish computer. Over time your computer can slow down due to accumulated bloatware, or just from lack of regular maintenance. When this gets beyond your control, PC runs can help you restore your computer back to its peak performance and give you advice on how to keep it that way. Computer crashing or blue screen of death. Don't be discouraged, in most cases this can be remedied. Here at PC Runs we can do a free diagnostics to see what may be causing this and find a workable remedy to get you back online as soon as possible. Simple computer maintenance and installing adequate security. Many situations just require some simple maintenance procedures and practices along with having the right security on your computer. Here at PC Runs we can make sure that both these concerns are taken care of. We also provide instruction in simple computer maintenance. Installing and updating software. If you need to migrate your operating system to a new hard drive or a reinstall to get everything working again, we here at PC Runs can do that for you at least for half of the cost of most competitors. Installing hardware. Need any new hardware installations? Again, here at PC Runs we can do this at a great savings to you. Of course this involves everything that I learned along the way to keep me happily online. So, it wasn't a hard transformation to help others do the same. And everyone I've helped out was appreciative of what I did for them and has become a satisfied customer. What is PC Runs all about? What do we at PC Runs offer different than everyone else out there offering the same services? Well, how about major discounts in costs to you? Because I don't have a storefront siphoning resources in overhead costs, I can afford to offer those savings to you. So, whatever your computer online needs are, I can offer you services to keep you running and online for much reduced prices over the competition. Give me, John, a call for a free phone consultation at 414-801-8194 or contact me via the contact form on pcruns.com or email me at john.z@pcruns.com. I'll be happy to help you. John Zettel PC Runs, john.z@pcruns.com, 414-801-8194. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And hit the bell icon for notices when new videos are posted. PS PC Runs offers quality computer repair services at prices you can live with.